To make my wall lights, I'm going to be using some findings, and these are just earrings, the backings of earrings for pierced ears. I've got 2 of those, and I've got some small little findings like that, and just a cute little one that looks like that. And then I'm just using an earring finding as well, which has got the pinhead on the back. And all I'm going to be doing is threading my beads on, and then I'm going to be painting all of the little pieces that are sticking out in gold. I'll wait for that to dry, and then I'll use some more glue to glue it behind that finding. I've painted all my pieces, and I've bent my wire like that. Now I'm just going to glue it all together. I'm using T8000 to do that. And the last finding that I've painted gold, I'm going to be putting right at the end. I've just put my little light into a pipe so that it can dry, so I can work on the others. I've put the last piece on so that it looks like that, and now I've poked some little holes into my box so I can thread this wire in and then curve it over so that it sits in my box like that. I'm using these tiny little string fairy lights to power up my little house, and now my little wall light is completed. So I've got one on that side and one on that side, and now I'll just turn the lights out so you can get a better look. Thank you so much for watching.